Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Today we are going to learn how to construct a octagon using general method. Okay, for that first I'm going to construct a line of length 40 mm. Okay, you can take any dimensions. Okay, so there is no problem. So take dimensions of 40 mm. This point is A and this point is B. Okay, now taking compass. So herein you can as you're following, the steps are remaining almost the same, right? So we are following a same general steps here. Okay, after cutting the arc, just draw one perpendicular line here. Okay, so draw one perpendicular line here. Okay, so now we need to join. So this is the point we're getting. This is P. Join point P and A. Okay, now you bisect the line AB. To bisect the line, you take more than the half distance. Okay, and cut two arcs from this point, and same way you can cut it from here. And here you can cut it. Now you draw a vertical line connecting these points. Okay, so here you need to assume this point as 4 and this point as 6. Okay, now you have to bisect. To find out the point number 5, you have to bisect this small line. Okay, to bisect it, take more than the half distance and draw an arc. Okay, now you draw one horizontal line here. So this point, it is 0.5. Okay, now what we have to do, you need to measure the length from 4 to 5 using compass, and then you can cut the length here. So this point is 7, this point is 8. Okay, so this is 7 and this is 8. So since we are constructing a octagon, we need to measure the length from 8 to A. Okay, 8 to A, can measure and draw and circle here. Okay, so now after this we need to measure this AB length. So measure this AB length and cut the arcs. So take properly the cut points. Okay, so a little bit of mistake will lead to not get the exact octagon here. Okay, so now we can give the naming for this. This is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G, this is H. Okay, now we have to connect all these cut points, okay, with a straight line. Okay, join all these points. The straight line, you can join it. Okay, okay, So this completes the problem. You can subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Today we are going to construct a heptagon using general method. Okay, so to construct a heptagon which is of 7 sides, so the length I'm considering it is 40 mm. Okay, 40 mm I'm considering here. Drawing one horizontal line. Okay, so this point is A, this point is B. Okay, now you need to measure this length AB or BA and then draw an arc here. Okay, now using protractor I'm going to mark exactly the 90-degree point here, perpendicular line we need to draw. So you follow this method, it is easy. Okay, then draw straight line passing through this point. Okay, and this point is P. Now we join this A and P point with the straight line. Okay, now we have to bisect this line AB. How to bisect it? Just measure more than the half here, more than the half, and then cut the arc. Okay, and then cut these points. Okay, now you need to join these cut arc points with the straight line here. Join it. Okay, now this point you need to assume this as point number 4 and this point you need to assume as point number 6. Okay, now we need to bisect this line. Okay, this line, how to bisect it? To get the point number 5, just measure more than the half here. Okay, the more than the half what you have measured, you have cutted the arcs here. Now the same arc you need to cut from this point, point number 6. Okay, to bisect this length. So you need to be careful here because it is a very small length. Okay, so here we need to connect these 2 points here. Okay, so this point it is 5. Okay, so now we can measure the length. Either you can measure 4 5 or 5 6, no problem. Measure the length. Okay, and then you can cut the arc. So this is your point number 7. Okay, since it is a heptagon, so we need to measure the length from 7 to A here. So measure it. Either you can measure from here 7 to A, no problem. So the same length you should measure. Okay, so from keeping at this point, okay, can draw a circle now. Okay, so after drawing in circle you need to measure this length, AB length. Okay, AB length you need to measure. Okay, and then cut the arcs. So from this end, okay, can I'll just draw on straight line here, little bit I'll extend it. Okay, so from this end we can construct from this end. Okay, so it is cutting exactly at the point. So it is C, D, E, F and G. Okay, now you have to connect all these points. Okay, so join all these arc points with a straight line. Okay, join all these points. Okay, so this completes the problem. You can subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share it to maximum students so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video.